Here I have a function, a recursive function. It is calling itself. There are three statements. First statement, there is something, and then it is calling itself, and there is one more statement. So the question is, when this statement will execute, this will execute at calling time. And when this statement will execute, it will execute at returning time. And if anything is there followed by this function, then that will also execute at returning time only. If any computations are there, any more things are there. So that's it. So from this, like you can take it as a formula. In a recursive function call, before the function call, if anything is there, then that will be executed at calling time. After the function call, it is executed at returning time. So we can call this portion as ascending, and this we can call it as descending. So recursive functions have two phases, that are ascending and descending. So the main important thing that we have learned now is that a recursion will have two phases. Let us compare recursion with loop. Loops are repeating statement. Then what is recursion? Recursion is also repeating. See a function call, then again it is calling, again it is calling. So is it not repeating? Yes, a recursion is also just like repeating. But the difference is a loop will have only ascending phase, but a recursion will have ascending as well as descending phase. So that is the strength or power of recursion, that you can utilize or exploit it for writing code easier. So these two phases are there. So the descending is there only in recursion. So that's all. I end here in this video. Then in next video, I'll show you how stack is used in these two recursive functions, and also I'll show you the time complexity. So we'll continue with the same functions in the next video.